How to add or configure an APN on Android. If your mobile data isn't working or you've inserted a new SIM card, updating the APN settings can help fix your internet connection. First, open the Settings app on your Android. Next, tap Connections, then select Mobile Networks. Now, tap Access Point Names. Here, you'll see the APNs currently saved on your phone. Then, to create a new APN, tap the Add button in the top right corner. Enter the APN details exactly as provided by your mobile network carrier. Usually, you'll need to fill in the name and APN fields, while the remaining fields should only be completed if your carrier specifically provides those values. Once you've entered all the required information, tap the three-dot menu in the top right corner and select Save. After saving, tap the new APN to make it the active one. That's it. You've successfully set up a new APN on your Android. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.